everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Wilderness Lodge. We are staying here in a deluxe studio. So yeah, let's tour this room. Today we are located in room 3115. So this room has a little bit of a different layout just because it's on the end of the hallway. So yeah, this is a pretty nice room. First, when you walk into the room, you have your room occupied sign and your safety things here. When you first come in, you have this closet. It has a safe in it, some hangers, your extra pillow and blanket, a rack for your suitcase, more hangers. I'm not sure what this is, but something. Iron, and then an ironing board. Okay, now you're gonna come into the little kitchenette area. You have this little drawer here. You can have a bunch of shelving things here. Can opener, something, then fork, spoons, and knives. Here you have a garbage can, a fire extinguisher, and some extra things here. So some dish soap, a sponge, towel, and a toilet paper. Not toilet paper, paper towel roll, sorry. Okay, here you have the sink, and then more of those amenities there. You have some coffee here of Joffrey's Walt Disney World Resort blend. Got two of those. And then some of here. Paper towels. Have some space up here. Have some bowls and some plates. Some cups. Your ice bucket. Have a microwave here. And a toaster and a cutting board, I believe, up in there, if I'm right. And over here you have your coffee machine. Down here is the fridge. Coming over here you have another trash can and then a door if you want to have a connecting room to make this a one-bedroom lock-off. Coming in to the family area here, you have a couch that can be turned into a pull-out bed, a desk here. So if I get this right, maybe the other side. I can get this, so yes. There's a little desk here and then some storage there. Your TV that when you come in it says welcome whatever family you are. Your remote, my magic pan, and my ears. Some merchandise that I've already got. This little area here. You have some plugins here. And then plenty of drawer space. And then 3 more on the other side. Over here you have your couch, some windows, the lamp, a phone, and then a little guide here for some things in Disney, and then a security thing, I think it is. A little nightstand here for that couch that can pull out into the bed, and then over here you have the balcony. So you have 2 chairs here, a table, and then a view of the pool, and then a little view out there. I don't know if you can see fireworks from here. But yeah, back in 2020 when they did COVID times, they used to have character caravans. That's a mouthful. And they used to travel around all the different resorts. And this was one of the stops here at the Wilderness Lodge. And they used to come up here in this little ledge area. So that would be pretty cool if you were up here when the characters came out and you could say hi and everything. So yeah, that would be pretty cool. Okay, forgot to tell you about the curtains here. You have a little this here, and then you have the blackout curtains. Okay, moving on into the bathroom. Coming into the bathroom here, you have a little mirror here, and you have this mirror. Hello. You have this little ledge here to put anything. Soap, body lotion, sink, some towels, hand towels, plugins. You have a mirror that's really funny. You can't see it, but yeah, it's a funny mirror when you see it. Okay, some plugins here. Towel holder, towels, your light switches. Then coming in here, you have your shower that has the refillable options for your soap and your conditioner and body lotion. Bar soap here. You have rainfall and, there's a hair up there. Rainfall and a removable. You have a clothesline here. Totem pole picture there. Towels, toilet paper, toilet, and then shelving space up here. Some hooks, and then, I forgot over here. So you have a dryer, hair dryer, this little trash can, tissues, down here, toilet paper and tissues, more toilet paper and tissues, and some storage space there. Okay, here is the pull-out couch, one that's all here. You can see that there's not a lot of room when you come through here, but we can probably make it work, so yeah. Now coming into the bedroom space, it's really echoey in here. You have a table here that overlooks the pool area, a nightstand with plenty of drawer space, Bible, more storage there, remote for the other TV that's in here, and then a light switch for the light, night light. Over here you have a little space to get ready in the morning. Some drawer there, a drawer there for some storage. It's cute, this cool picture here. And then more plugins here. And then you have some drawers here. A deep one. These are like all different sizes. Then over here you have another set of drawers, TV, light, plugins, more plugins. There are a lot of plugins in this room. Let's see what the view is over here. Oh, it's a view of like the walkway down there. And yeah, there's the little spring over there. There's the spring, you can't really see it, but yeah, there it is. So yeah, that's a view for in here. Now, this is a exclusive part. I think we got to do some bed science on here, right? This is really comfy. Pillows. There's good enough head sinkage. But yeah, really nice. Okay, now we're gonna go onto the last balcony. You have two balconies here. This one overlooks, it's closer to this area here. You can see the spring there, common area, and then the pool. Now I'm gonna do some science on this couch bed here. So let's try this. We can't go as hard as we do on the normal bed. It's okay. It's not that comfortable, but it will have to make do. So yeah, there's some instructions here if you need help here getting this open. Thank you everyone for joining me today here on this room tour at Disney's Wilderness Lodge in the Deluxe Studios here at the Copper Creek Villas. Thank you for watching. Bye!